My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2018 Ford Tourneo. This vehicle has an L2 long wheelbase. It has done just under 53,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we go inside the vehicle, we can see that it comes with 9 seats. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. Also comes with Apple CarPlay, valet mode, emergency assistance and Bluetooth. We have heated seats on either side. And if we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it's complete with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.